How to cancel booking in booking.com. Hello travelers, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're guiding through the process of changing or cancelling an accommodation booking on booking.com. Whether your plans have shifted or you have encountered unforeseen circumstances, managing your reservation is straightforward. So without further ado, let's get started. So step 1, that is to access the booking section. So first log into your booking.com for business account, and on the top left menu of the dashboard, simply click on bookings to navigate to the manage booking page. And here you will see a list of all your reservation. Now step 2, that is to select the reservation. So to find the specific reservation, use the available filters to customize your view. And once you have located the booking you wish to modify or cancel, simply select it. And step 3, that is to modify or cancel the reservation. Now at the top right corner you will see the modify or cancel button. So simply click on appropriate option and follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with your changes. And if you are unable to modify or cancel the reservation online, a pop-up will provide relevant information, including a link to contact CWT, a bookings.com customer support partner. Their contact details are also in the confirmation or itinerary email. But remember, any changes made outside of booking.com for business may not reflect in your account. So for assistance, CWT travel counselors are available 24/7 via email or phone after logging into your account. And that's it. With this, we hope this guide helped you to manage your bookings with ease. And if you found this video useful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.